In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename images. Now, this only works for your own images. So any images here in Canva, we can't actually rename. But if you have your own that you've uploaded, it's pretty simple. Now, what we want to do is find our images in our upload section. Then we want to come to the three dots just here, and this is where we can see the name of this design. Now, if we double click on here, we can now rename this. So let's put horses and wine like this. Now, if we click enter, that has now been renamed. As it says just here, image successfully renamed. Now, if we click on the three dots again, we can now see that here. So that's just how simple it is to rename your images here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.